Hi everyone, I'm Lalabad. Welcome. Today, for dinner, I made guacamayas. Now, this sandwich, it's a sandwich. It came via Roo from Roo TV. I'm gonna link his channel below. He's my husband, if you don't know, and he once, told me about this sandwich, and he kind of quickly made it. He really didn't put too many ingredients into it, and I was a little amazed because it, like, you would never think to do this. So let me just tell you what I'm doing right now. Right now I'm making a pico de gallo. If you don't know, this is kind of like a chunky fresh salsa, I guess, of sorts. You have your tomato, your onion, cilantro, serrano, or whatever pepper you want to put in there. I'm going to put in one serrano, but I'm going to de-seed it because I want to be able to eat it. And I also will be adding some pickled jalapenos. I can handle those, so I don't have to devein them or de-seed them. I just add a total of 3. And if you want to add lime, salt, pepper, I do add salt and pepper. I don't add lime, but you can. And then put it in the fridge, cover it and put it in the fridge. Okay, so let me just tell you about how this sandwich came to be. So he said that when the sandwich comes via his hometown of Guanajuato. And he was in the city and he found this little stand and he just liked what they did. So he picked up the sandwich. Now, when he came home to America and he told me about it, and he was like, here, just buy me some bread and some pico, make me some pico de gallo. I'm gonna buy this big chicharon and I'm gonna just eat it like that. And because oftentimes my husband will get like a pickled jalapeno. I swear to you, he will get a fresh baked bolio. Bolio is a Mexican roll, and he will put in like 3 or 4 pickled jalapenos and he'll eat it. Right. So I thought it was one of those things, like it's just something. But I saw it on like a PBS, where some guy was in Guanajuato and he had this. So I was like, oh, this is a real thing. Like I didn't believe I didn't believe it was like a real sandwich. And it comes only this city or this state makes it. Not a lot of people know about it. And I copied what I saw there on the PBS station. So this is how this came to be. Now I'm adding to a copper pot. I'm going to be making carnitas. This is about a pound of lard, and the only way to make carnitas, real carnitas, is in a copper pot. Now I sent Raul to the market and I was like, okay baby, you need to go get carnita meat. I don't know what carnita meat is, but it's something that it's pork, but you also want it to have like fat going throughout it because you need it to be moist, because if not, it's going to be dry like this meat was. This is pork stew meat. And I had to cut it up into about like 2-inch chunks. And I'm sorry to say that there was some pieces that have fat on it, and that was the best part. But the other ones that didn't have any kind of fat on it was too lean. It was very dry, and I didn't like it. But you cook your carnitas like on like medium low for about 2 hours. And you make this, I guess it's kind of like what gives it its flavor. This is the seasoning for carnitas. And you don't want to mess this up because it's so simple. You can't mess this up. I have by the way, that was a pound of meat. But do not get the stew meat. It's not good. You want something with fat in it. So usually markets will sell something that's called carnita meat, and that's the meat you want. So I got a half a cup of Coca-Cola, Mexican Coca-Cola, and the juice of 1 orange. Wash the orange because you will be putting that inside of the confit, if you will, because that's basically what it is. It's meat cooked in fat. That's confit. And yeah, just squeeze all the juice, and you're gonna add that to the meat when it's nearly done, like the last 20 minutes. You're gonna do this, and this is where you're gonna do all the flavoring as well. Now I've seen some people put in that sweet milk. I don't know if they call it's like that in that can. So I've seen people do that. They put bay leaf. They do. No, you don't got to do all that. Just do this. I promise. even butchered, if you ask butchers how to make carnitas, this is what they'll tell you to do. So you add the Coke, add the juice, add the orange halves, and then add salt and crush up a couple cloves of garlic and add your garlic. And that's it. I promise you, that is the flavor of real carnitas. So delicious. And then I just cooked it for, you know, the last, you know, 20-15 minutes. And you're good to go. Chop it up. And then just assemble the sandwich. It's very simple. You gotta get some Mexican rolls because they are so they're so make sure that you get them fresh, by the way. And they're called bolios. Bolios. Is that how you say bolios? As you can see, I mean, the meat, it was good. Don't get me wrong, it had great flavor, but it was just like, I like a little bit more softness to him. All right, so then you're also going to pick up these chicharones. Now you can get the ones that are already chopped up, which is, that's the one I prefer. I've never had these before from this brand. I didn't like it. Raul said it was okay, but there was like, it had a flavor that we just didn't like. But definitely pick up some chicharron, break it up. Then you're gonna get this Mexican bread. These are the Fiesta. If you got a Fiesta in your city, get them rolls right there. They're like 79 cents each, but they're worth it, I promise. Take out the inside a little bit, you know, just to make room for everything that you're gonna put in there. And then build it up. So first you put in the chicharron. Now you don't want to put too much of anything because there's going to be a lot that goes in here. So you put the chicharron. Then you put the carnita. And then you top it with your pico de gallo, your pico de gallo. With the pickled jalapenos. And some avocado. Again, I sent Roo to get the avocado. It was so hard. And then you add, this is Mexican sour cream. And some queso, whatever queso you like, whatever cheese you like. And then call your Mexican over and enjoy. All right, check it out. Baby?
Yeah, baby.
Come get your guacamaya.
Let me see.
Here you go.
Let's try. Big one. I love.
You think you'll get full off one? No?
I think you have to get more.
Is it good? ¿Está bueno?
Just like when I was in Mexico.
For real? Oh, wow. All right. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you liked this video. If you did, let us know by giving it a thumbs up. All right.
Really good.
All right. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Get you a Coke.